You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. This is going to be a wonderful, very interesting pronunciation video. I love those two words, and there are some subtleties that you can learn on how to pronounce them correctly. Alright, so let's start with the top word. Guarantee is how it is pronounced, okay? British English pronunciation in particular, guarantee. Now, British English pronounces that ga at the beginning, okay? Americans say ge. So ga or ge. Guarantee or guarantee. The stress is on the T syllable. Guarantee or guarantee. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Now, the second word at the bottom is pronounced warranty, with a stress on the wa syllable, okay? And it's a wa, it's an o sound, not an a. It's not warranty, it's warranty. Warranty, not warranty, all right? I mean, if you say warranty, it's not a big deal, but it's normally warranty, all right? So let's summarize. Top word, guarantee or guarantee, depending if it's UK or US. Bottom word, warranty. Guarantee, warranty. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.